Hey guys, welcome back. It's Mel here, and if you like this video today, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this look I wore for New Year's Eve. Winged eyeliner with sparkle glitter all around it. I got this inspiration from Stephanie Ledda. She is a makeup guru on YouTube. I will leave her link down below. But it turned out really beautiful, and I used all drugstore products. So if you want to see how to get this really pretty look, then just keep watching. So first I'm going to tape my eyes, and then I am going to prime my lids. And then I am going to go in with concealer over that and then set it with powder. This is just what I do and what works for me. You do not have to do this step. I do, or my eyeshadow and everything will be gone and creased by the end of the night. So I'm just going in with this Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. You don't have to do this, but I'm using this neutral light tan shade called Butter for the crease. You can use your bronzer as your crease shade. You do not have to use this palette. I'm just doing this as our crease shade, just to give my eye a little more definition before we go in with the eyeliner. So for the eyeliner, I'm using this NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner. It's a felt tip liner. I love this eyeliner. It is my favorite so far. And I'm just doing a classic wing liner. Now, I'm not the best at wing liner. It's literally different every time I do it. But the tape helps because you can remove the tape and then just clean it up with a makeup wipe. So that's pretty much what I do. And here I'm just removing the tape, and then like I said, I'm going to clean up the wing edges with a makeup wipe. So next I'm going to go in with this NYX Glitter Goals liquid eyeshadow in the shade Oi Out. I'm not sure how to pronounce O-U-I, but Oi Out. And I'm using this, I'm using this special eyeliner brush. It's kind of like a really, really tiny thin tip paint brushing looking thing. And I'm just going over the edge, going really close to the edge of that wing liner. Now make sure your black wing liner is completely dry before you do this step, or it's all gonna smudge. So after the face makeup, I go back to the eyes and touch everything up and do my final touches and all that stuff. So for now, I'm just kind of laying down the base of the wing liner and then the glitter liner on top. Next, I am just gonna hydrate my eyes with the Neutrogena Hydra Boost Gel Eye Cream. And then I'm going to go in with this Ulta Beauty Liquid Illuminator in Northern Lights. Just gives a little glow, pearlized glow to the skin. I'm doing this on the outer perimeters, and then I'm going in with the E.L.F. Mattifying Balm in my T-zone to fill in the pores and keep oil at bay. For foundation, I'm mixing two. I'm using the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation Brightening Complex, and I'm mixing that with a little bit of the LA Girl Pro Matte HD Longwear Matte Foundation. Both of these are beautiful on their own, but I wanted that healthy glow from the Physicians Formula foundation, but wanted it to be last all night, so that's why I added in the matte foundation from LA Girl. This combination I actually really loved. I like mixing foundations. It's just like a fun experiment. You do not have to mix them. You can use one or the other. The one is glowy and a natural, healthy looking finish, while the other one is matte and is full coverage. So your choice. And then I am just blending that out with my E.L.F. sponge. Next, I am going to cream contour with this Wet n Wild contour stick. I believe this is the shade Call Me Maple. I'll leave the correct shade down below in the comments. And I am just blending that out with a Real Techniques brush. So for concealer, I was super excited because I just saw in the drugstore that E.L.F. has their new Hydrating Camo Concealer. So I already have the 16-hour Camo Concealer, but they came out with a hydrating one. So I'm using this first. I absolutely love it. It is really creamy, blends out amazing. It's not super full coverage, so I go in with the original 16-hour Camo Concealer just to add a little more coverage. The only thing I will have to say about these, I had them both in the same shade, medium sand, but they're drastically two different colors. So if you are looking to pick up the new hydrating one, just know that it's not going to be the same shade as the original 16-hour Camo Concealer. Then I'm just going to set my face with this Coty Airspun Loose Translucent Setting Powder. Absolutely love this. It's a bang for your buck. You get so much and it is awesome. The only thing, it does have a really perfumed smell. I always think it smells like a grandma. So if you don't like that, you might not like this, but it is amazing. It is super affordable. Next, for my bronzer, I'm going to go in with this E.L.F. Primer Infused Bronzer in the shade Forever Sunkissed. I just picked up this bronzer and I absolutely love it. I think it is like the perfect shade. It blends out amazingly and it was super affordable. So, definitely my new favorite bronzer. For blush, I'm going in with the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso, fan favorite. And for highlight, I'm going in with one of my favorites. This is by Wet n Wild. It's their loose highlighter, and this is in I'm So Lit. I am obsessed with the formula of this product. It is so blinding and pigmented. You just need the tiniest bit, but it is just so, it looks so nice on the skin, and it's so beautiful. I love, love, love this. Here, I'm gonna do my eyebrows real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now I am going to go in with another glitter. This is by Starlit Studio, and this is just a silver glitter. Doesn't have a name or anything, it's just silver. Found this at Target, and I'm just going over where we put that NYX Glitter Goals eyeliner. This is just more sparkly and more bright, and I just needed something to make the eyeliner pop a little bit better. I'm also taking that glitter eyeliner all the way around the wing on the top and bottom, just because I thought that looked really cool. And here I am going back in with that NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner, and I'm just sharpening up our wing because I kind of lost it with the glitter. That way you can see the wing inside of the glitter. Then I'm going back in with that butter shade from that Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just buffing this under the lower lash line. And then I'm going in with the shade Enlighten. It's like a pretty sheer cream color just for the brow bone. And then I'm going to take that Wet n Wild highlighter and use this as our inner corner highlight. And now I'm going to add mascara and eyelashes. So the lashes I use are by Kiss. They're the Lash Couture Naked Drama collection in the style Chiffon. For lips, I am going to use this Palladio lip liner in the shade Natural. And then I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Head Turner. And just to make it a little more lighter in the center, I go in with some concealer. I've been really liking this technique. I know it looks crazy at first, but once you blend it out and I add a little bit more lip liner to define the lips, it looks really cool and it gives you that nice contoured lip effect. Alright guys, so this is a completed look. I absolutely loved how it turned out. I thought it was super fun for New Year's Eve. You can even use this for like concerts or even going out, and I absolutely love how this turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.